experiment is called elephant toothpaste. Today, we'll tell you why and how a reaction occurs. The ingredients you'll need for an experiment is hydrogen peroxide. We're using 3%, but you can use 10 to 30% for a better reaction. Next, you need a catalyst. You can use yeast or potassium iodide, but for safety today, we're using yeast, the one you use for baking. Next, you'll need some dish soap to make bubbles. Lastly, you'll need some food coloring to make it colorful and fun. You can use any color you want.
But before we start, we're going to put on our safety goggles.
Safety first!
So, the first step is find a water bottle. But to make this a little more sciencey today, we're going to be using an Allen-Meyer flask. Now, pour around half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into the bottom of the bottle, about this much. Okay. Now add a tablespoon of dish soap to create the bubbles. Okay. Next, add food coloring to your bottle to make it. I'll be using blue. I'm using purple.
Swirl your bottle around to mix the coloring.
Wow, makes it really pretty. I'm using purple. Okay. Next, in a separate cup, prepare yeast solution by adding dry yeast to warm water and mix with a spoon for a few minutes until it becomes frothy. Finally, add your yeast to your mixture. There you go. It's going.
Wow! Such a cool reaction.
That's nice.
I see that. Oh, that's so cool. How cool is that?
Okay. The yeast helps to break down the hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen gas.
No, it's okay.
Because the yeast acts as a catalyst. The catalyst doesn't actually do anything in the reaction, it just helps it get started. The oxygen is trapped as gas in the soap. The reaction that occurs when these ingredients are combined is called a decomposition reaction. This is when the compound, in our case, our hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, breaks down into two different compounds. H2O, which is water, and O2, gas.
This is a fun and easy experiment that you can do in your own house that shows the fun side of chemistry.
I hope y'all learned something today. That's all we have for y'all today. Bye!